If you're still letting your money sit idle in 2026, you're doing it wrong. Right now, inflation is rising, debt is growing, and the cost of living keeps climbing. To build real financial momentum, you need more than motivation. You need smart money habits that work in today's world. Let's break down the 3 habits that will actually move you forward this year. Habit number 1, automate your savings. Stop relying on willpower. Set up an auto transfer that moves money to savings every time you get paid, even if it's just $20. The habit is more important than the amount, because what's automated gets done. Habit number 2, invest early and start, even if you're still learning. The mistake most people make? Waiting until they know everything to invest. Start small. Pick a basic ETF or index fund, then build from there. Time in the market beats timing the market, every time. Habit number 3, cut the leaks. Most people think they have a spending problem, but what they really have is a silent drain problem. Review your subscriptions, automatic charges, and emotional spending. Then cut 1 to 2 things this week. You won't miss them, but your bank account will notice. Here's a bonus habit. Track your net worth every month. It keeps you focused on the big picture, not just the paycheck. Start with 1 habit, then add another. The goal isn't to be perfect, it's to build momentum. Subscribe for more real-world finance tips, and comment which habit you'll start today.